What if everything you know about the universe is merely a fragment of a deeper, hidden reality? From the smallest particles to the vast fabric of space itself, the cosmos remains a mystery, one we've only begun to unravel. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the moon, our celestial neighbor, its bright face a familiar sight in the night sky. But what about the other side? The far side of the moon, shrouded in eternal darkness, a place untouched by human eyes for millennia. Could it hold the answers to some of the greatest mysteries of the universe? Tonight we embark on a journey to explore what might be hiding on the dark side of the moon. Unlike Earth, the moon is tidally locked, meaning one side is always hidden from view. This dark side is not just unknown, it's been the subject of speculation, conspiracy, and scientific intrigue for decades. In 1959, the Soviet Luna 3 spacecraft provided the world with its first glimpse of this mysterious region, revealing a rugged, cratered landscape unlike the familiar near side. But these images only raise more questions than answers. What makes the far side so different? Could there be something hidden beneath its surface? Cut to archival footage and scientific visuals. Modern missions like China's Chang'e 4 lander have begun exploring this region. Yet we are still in the earliest stages of discovery. Some believe it could contain evidence of ancient cosmic events, remnants of unknown celestial bodies, or even signs of something more enigmatic. As we push the boundaries of exploration, the scientific theories surrounding the moon grow ever stranger. The hollow moon hypothesis. Some claim the moon could be an artificial structure, an ancient megastructure hiding untold secrets. The holographic universe. Could the moon itself be part of a grand cosmic illusion, a projection of a deeper reality? Quantum physics and alternate dimensions. What if the dark side of the moon is more than just a physical location? What if it's a gateway, a place where reality bends in ways we cannot yet comprehend? These ideas may sound like science fiction, but the deeper we look, the more we realize that reality itself is far stranger than we ever imagined. One of the most radical ideas about reality itself is the simulation hypothesis. The idea that our universe isn't physical at all, but a sophisticated digital construct. Nick Bostrom, a philosopher at Oxford University, proposed that if advanced civilizations exist, they might have the capability to create highly realistic simulations, so advanced that the beings within them wouldn't know they were simulated. Now consider this. If such simulations were possible, the probability that we are living in one becomes almost unavoidable. Cut to visual of digital grids overlaying space. What does this have to do with the moon? Some theorists believe that the moon's dark side could hold anomalies, glitches in our perceived reality. Evidence that our universe is not what it seems. Imagine if we discovered something unnatural buried beneath the surface. Something that doesn't fit within the known laws of physics. Would we be ready for the truth? Throughout history, civilizations have looked to the moon for guidance, worship, and prophecy. Yet some ancient texts and myths suggest something strange about the moon. Stories that hint at a time before it existed in Earth's skies. Could our moon be far younger than we think? And then there are the anomalies. Mysterious flashes of light detected on the lunar surface. Unusual geometric formations seen in old NASA photos. A strange, persistent hum recorded by Apollo astronauts that defies explanation. Even official NASA transcripts include eerie accounts from astronauts who felt like they were being watched while orbiting the moon's far side. What is hiding in those shadows? Today, humanity is closer than ever to returning to the moon. NASA's Artemis missions aim to establish a permanent lunar presence, while private companies like SpaceX envision a future where the moon serves as a stepping stone to Mars and beyond. But with this new age of exploration, one question lingers. Will we finally uncover the truth about the moon's dark side? What will we find in the places no human has ever stepped foot? And, more importantly, what if we're not alone? As we look up at the moon, casting its pale glow over the night sky, we are reminded of how little we truly know. For all our advancements, for all our explorations, we are still but wanderers in an infinite unknown. Maybe, just maybe, the moon's dark side holds more than just shadows. Maybe it holds the key to everything. While the Apollo missions gave us incredible insight into the moon, some believe the most important discoveries have never been shared with the public. Documents obtained through Freedom of Information Act requests have hinted at secret lunar programs, missions that never made it into history books. For example, in 1965, a top-secret U.S. project known as Horizon aimed to establish a military base on the moon. Officially, this plan was abandoned. But what if it wasn't? And then there's Apollo 20, a mission that, according to official records, never happened. Yet conspiracy theorists claim leaked footage shows a spacecraft of unknown origin, found deep within a lunar crater. Could this explain why no human has returned to the moon since 1972? Cut to grainy archival footage with eerie undertones. Perhaps the greatest mystery is the strange radio signals detected from the far side of the moon. Scientists acknowledge that unusual signals have been picked up, some originating from deep space, but others coming from the moon itself. Are these natural cosmic phenomena or something else entirely? Throughout history, cultures around the world have had a deep fascination with the moon, but some myths and legends suggest something even more unsettling. Certain ancient texts hint at a time before the moon existed in our skies. The Zulu people of Africa, for example, have legends that describe the moon as an artificial construct placed in orbit by advanced beings long ago. Theories have emerged that the moon might be a relic of an ancient cosmic civilization, possibly a structure left behind by extraterrestrial intelligence. And then there are the strange readings detected by seismometers left on the lunar surface. Some data suggests that when large objects collide with the moon, it rings like a bell. Could the moon's structure be hollow? Could it be hiding something beneath its surface? One of the most chilling discoveries from the moon's far side came in 2016, when NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter detected strange radio signals originating from the hidden region. Unlike normal cosmic radiation or background noise, these signals appeared structured, as if transmitting data. Was this a natural phenomenon or something else? Astronomers also point to the moon as an ideal location for detecting deep space signals, because the far side is completely shielded from Earth's radio interference. Could the dark side of the moon be a relay point for extraterrestrial intelligence? For centuries we have studied the moon. But what if the moon has been watching us too? Throughout history, civilizations have described the moon as more than just a celestial body. Many saw it as a deity, an all-seeing guardian, a cosmic eye gazing upon humanity. But what if this idea was not entirely symbolic? Some scientists speculate that the moon's unique position, always showing us the same face while hiding the other side, may not be entirely coincidental. Imagine if a highly advanced intelligence had positioned the moon here, not as a natural satellite, but as an observatory. Could the dark side be concealing technology far beyond our understanding? And if so, who or what is watching us?